Scoring profiles allow you to assign numerical values to your customers when they react to your campaigns and landing pages. This can greatly help your sales team to determine just how engaged a contact is. In this video, I want to show you the default scoring profile within marketing automation, and then I want to show you where it appears in your ACT database. First, let's take a look at the default scoring profile that already exists in your marketing automation account. Since this is classified as an admin task, only users with admin permissions may perform any of these scoring tasks. To begin, we'll go to the marketing automation area, and then at the top right, click Admin. Most of the time, the scoring profiles will show up when you click Admin, but if it doesn't, you can always go to the What Would You Like dropdown and then choose Scoring from there and click Go. This screen displays all of your scoring profiles, and you can create multiple profiles here, but let's look at the default scoring rule first. The name of it is Default Scoring Rule. It was created on December 5th, and we can already see that it has been mapped to a field in ACT called AMA Score. I'm going to click the Edit button up here just to see more details about this scoring rule. At the top there are some fields you can edit, including the name of the scoring rule, the field to which it maps in ACT, and you can even change it from an active status to inactive. Down below, we'll see each of the individual scoring rules that, when combined, make up the profile as a whole. The default profile comes with 4 different rules. First is the campaign email clicked rule. This rule will award points whenever someone clicks any link within one of your campaigns. Currently, it awards 2 points per click, but it only counts those clicks that have occurred within the past 90 days. And because the accumulate field is set to false, only unique clicks will count towards this score. Second, we have a rule called campaign email opened. This rule awards 1 point whenever any campaign email is opened. Again, it only looks at the past 90 days, and because accumulation is set to false, it's only going to award 1 point per email, no matter how many times your customers open that email. The landing page completed rule checks to see who has filled out a form on one of your landing pages. This specific rule will award 4 points if your customers complete any of your landing pages within the last 90 days, but it won't award those points more than once. And the final rule here checks to see if someone has gone to your website from one of your campaigns. Now, this rule is only going to work if you've set up marketing automation to run on your own web domain. If you're using the default SwiftPage domain, then this rule will not be able to track the traffic to your website. Let's edit one of these rules. Let's say that I want to change the score awarded and extend the date range for the first rule, campaign email clicked. I'll click the Edit button, and then from here I can change my score from 2 to 3, and I can even change the days back from 90 to 120 days. Once you've made all the edits that you want, click the Go button, and now you can see that this scoring rule has been modified. Okay, now let's see how marketing automation displays the scores back to you in your ACT database. I'm going to begin by looking up a contact record in my database. Now I know that one of my contacts, Constance Sorrow, has interacted with my campaigns. So I'm going to go to the detail view of her contact record. Immediately, we can see that a new AMA score field has already been added to my layout. Constance has a score of 1 in this field, and that's decent information, but I'd like to see a breakdown of this score. So down in the tabs area, I'm going to scroll to the right and look up the Marketing Automation tab. From here I have 3 different choices, but I'm interested in her score. This area gives me her total score, and it accumulates where each of the points came from. Since she only has 1 point, it's pretty easy to figure out where she got it. Now let's take a look at groups in my ACT database. Here we can see that a new group called Scored Leads has already been added to the database. This is the dynamic group that automatically includes all contacts who have an AMA score greater than 0. You can change this threshold if you want by going to the Add Remove Contacts area and then edit the criteria by changing the value from 0 to any other number. If you do change this though, it's a good idea to edit the description field so that it matches whatever number you've chosen in the rule. So now anytime one of your contacts reacts to your campaigns in such a way to generate a score, they're going to show up in this group. This presents your sales team with an accurate list of hot leads that they can contact first.